This is my final airdrop for the month of July, and I've got 3 confirmed airdrop that you cannot afford to miss. So if you want to gain both valuable tokens and knowledge without spending a dime, stay tuned because these airdrops will give you just that. In this video, I'll cover 3 incentivized testnet airdrop, meaning they are confirmed and free. This airdrop will only cost you time, but in return, you gain both valuable tokens and knowledge. Before we dive in, make sure to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to learn how to trade and get free signals, I'll leave the link to that in the description box. The incentivized airdrop are Particle, which is making a lot of waves right now. They will have Shardeum. I've made a node running video for Shardeum and Side Protocol. You will need an EVM wallet for these stacks. So MetaMask, OKS Web3 wallets, Bybit Web3 wallet, and any other Web3 wallet will work for the first 2. For the Side Protocol, you need either an OKS wallet or a Unisat wallet. So for Particle Network is a modular layer 1 blockchain offering chain abstraction. With 1 account and 1 balance, you can interact with all chains. They've raised $25 million in funding from top investors, and the incentivized testnet is live. To participate, you go to pioneer.particles.network. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you're here, you click on join now. And if you're connecting OKS wallet and all these other wallets, you're getting bonuses. But if it's MetaMask, you won't get a bonus. So it's better just go with the OKS wallet, which I'm going to do. And then I'm going to connect and confirm. Then you enter your invite code. I'll leave mine in the description box below. Accept this invite. Then the next thing you do is to bind your social media accounts, Twitter and Discord. Once this is done, you click to activate. So I am logged in, so I'm going to click on launch and claim my party points. Then I'll go ahead and start claiming points here and increasing my ranks. So my points is showing here. So I can earn 1,000 points by following the OKS wallet, which is my bonus point. So I'll go ahead and take part in all these tasks. So if you come here, you see there are task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4. So for task 1 is just daily check-in. So I need to check in. So if I click on check-in, you see that I cannot check in because I need some USDG, which is the Particle Network gas token. So to get this, I have to click on deposits, which is actually the task number 2. So if I click on deposits, it requires that I have this. To get the USDG token, I have to have some test it. To get some test it, you can click here to know how you do it, but it's just simply going to Alchemy. On Alchemy, I am on Ethereum here. So I'll go and copy my Ethereum wallet address from OKX, and I'm going to paste it here. So I'm having some issue trying to use the OKS wallet, so I just go and use the MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to click on join now again, and I will select MetaMask this time. Firm. So this actually gave me better points with my MetaMask wallet. Now, like I said, there are 3 tasks to perform here. You have the daily check-in, the deposit universal gas, cross-chain interaction, and task 4. So number 1 is a daily check-in. If I click on check-in, of course, it's going to tell me to deposit USDG. So I'll go to task 2 and click on deposit. So I'm going to take my MetaMask to get some Sapoli ETH from Alchemy. I already have some Sapoli ETH here. So all I do is just to bridge some of it to the Particle network. So now that I have that, I can then go back to click on check-in. Click on confirm. Okay, check. Okay. Then purchase NFT. Purchase.
opposite.
So basically here, just go ahead and complete different tasks. And as you complete tasks, this task number 3 just counts the number of activities that is happening in your wallet, like, me checking in and purchasing NFT just counts in my wallet here. And if you click down here, it just shows you your wallet balance and the activities that is taking place in your wallet. So this is basically how you take part in the particle network testnet. The next is Shardeum. Shardeum is a layer 1 blockchain designed to be as fast as needed and also decentralized. The blockchain expands as the load increases to maintain optimal speed. They've raised $23 million from various investors and the airdrop is confirmed. They are likely waiting for the right time to go mainnet. Node runners for Shardeum, in my opinion, will receive the most airdrop. To participate, you go to shardeum.org /incentivized-testnet. I'll leave the link to that in the description box. When you get there, enter my, you see my code as Jude Umeano. Then you can connect to your MetaMask wallet or OKX wallet. Once this is done, you'll be prompted to switch to the Shardeum Phoenix 1x. Click here and click continue. Now, there are stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. Currently, we are in stage 1. But the thing is that stage 1 is actually over. So you have to come back when stage 2 is on to take part in stage 2. To keep up to date, just follow them on their social channels, including Discord and Twitter, to be aware of when the stage 2 task is ready. Now, when it's ready, the first thing you do is to come to Faucet here. And this will bring you to their doc. Then click here that says invite to Shardeum to join them on Discord. Then go ahead and get roles. Now when you do this, you see this part where it says Atomium and this Faucet. You might not see it. If you don't see it, you come back to the doc and click on this Atomium Discord. You click on it, and what happens is that it's going to take you to that particular Discord channel. And this is where you can claim a test token to take part in the task. But because stage 1 is over, you cannot use it now. But when it is on, you come here, claim, then go ahead and perform the stage 2 task, because the next is a stage 2 task. So that is that for Shardeum. The third is the side protocol airdrop. Side protocol is building an extension layer for Bitcoin, more like Bitcoin layer 2. They are in partnership with almost all the Bitcoin improvement protocols. The incentivized airdrop quest is on insider.site.1, but you must complete a prerequisite task on Galaxy to gain access to this. Now, the task requires some effort, so many people may shy away from doing it, meaning more reward for those who actually go ahead and complete these tasks. To get started, you're going to go to Galaxy and complete this quest. I'll leave the link in the description. You can see all these quests here. I've actually completed them. Now, when you're done, one of the tasks you have to complete is join their Discord channel. Now, in Discord, what you want to obtain here is to be able to become an insider, because you need to become an insider. And you can only become an insider when you have gone ahead to complete all these tasks and claim your points. Now, once you have done this, you're going to become an insider, and you then go to insider.site.1. Now, if you're having difficulty obtaining the insider role, just use my invite code here to be able to gain access to insider.site.1. So this is where you actually take part in the quest. So these are the quests you have to take part in to complete to obtain the points to qualify for the airdrop. Now, if I click on this first one, it's going to bring me to Grimoria. So this is where I complete the task, and insider is where my points counts. To start the task, you're going to connect using your OKX wallet. So if I open OKX, I want to get test Bitcoin. So what I would do is, this is my test Bitcoin SBTC. So if you don't have it here, you're going to come down here and click on manage crypto and type SBTC. So make sure it is selected. Once that is selected, what you're going to do is to click on it. Then you come to here, click on it, and make sure what is selected is the one that starts with, is native SegWit, starting with TB1Q. Make sure that is the wallet that is selected. Then you're going to copy this wallet address and you go to /test.site.1. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you're here, you connect your wallet and you click on autofill, request for BTC, and request for site. Now, if it says failed, try again. It will actually eventually go if it fails the first time you do it. So this is the test Bitcoin you're going to use to take part in all these tags. So we're going to go back to Grimoire. Grimoire again is where you take part in the tags, and Insider is where you see your points. So I'm going to start with the first tag, which is deposit BTC. My wallet is already connected, my OKX wallet. So I'm going to come here under assets and click on transfer, and I want to deposit 0.3. Once you deposit, the estimated time for it to arrive here is about 30 minutes. Now, if I click on history, I can see all my pending deposits. Okay, now I came back and I made a whole video and realized that I was not recording. So the deposit was done, and after the deposit was done, what I did was to go perform all these tasks. So I went ahead and swapped BTC for runes. If you go here, you go to swap, you're going to swap BTC for rune, right? Swap BTC for rune. Then you just come and do all the tasks. Next one is add liquidity. You go to pools, select this BTC rune. See, I've done it already. You click on it. Then you go ahead and click on add here and like select this and you add liquidity. That's why you add liquidity. Then after that, the next one, just follow what is here. The next one is tick. After liquidity is added, what you're going to do is you just come back to this place and you click on this to stake your liquidity. You stake some of it, don't stake all of it. Then next, what you do is to come down to incentive, because the next task is to claim incentives after staking liquidity. You just click on incentives, the claim button will be on, you claim them. You can just click on claim and that is it. The next is to withdraw liquidity and submit limit order. So to withdraw liquidity, I just have to go back to manage and I'm going to click on withdraw, and I just go ahead and withdraw some of my liquidity. And after that, I'm going to submit limit order. So I'll go back to swap here and I'm going to click on limits here. I'll just go ahead and put the parameters and click on confirm, and that is submitting limit order. To withdraw BTC, I have to go back to my assets, and what I will do to withdraw BTC is to click on transfer here, and I'll click on this arrow. So I'm moving from Grimoire now to BTC. I'll enter the amount of BTC I want to withdraw and I will withdraw. And it's also the same thing to withdraw runes. So once you withdraw, you can also see, you can also click history here to see your transaction. So I've done withdrawing, and withdrawing is pending, after which I will do the last task, which is depositing rune. Is basically just coming here, and what you do here is to click on transfer again. So what I will do is now from BTC to Grimoire. That is what I will do to complete the last task. Once you have done it and you just come here and you click on refresh, the whole thing is going to refresh and you will have completed your quest for the airdrop for side protocol. Okay guys, I'll leave the link to all the airdrop and everything I've discussed here in the description box. If you want to participate in more airdrops, just follow me on Twitter. I share a lot of opportunities there. And like I said, node runners usually receive the most airdrop reward, $5,000 to $80,000 from previous airdrops. If you want to learn how to run the Shardeum node, then watch this video here and let me know in the comment section which airdrop you are most excited about, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content.